Same-day cash advance approval depends on the app, your eligibility, and whether you complete the required verification steps. By the end, you'll know how same-day cash advance apps work, what affects approval speed, and what to check before choosing an app. The main reason some cash advances move faster than others is the approval process. Cash advance apps usually review information connected to your finances, such as your bank account activity or income details, to determine eligibility. Same-day approval does not mean everyone receives money instantly. You still need to complete the application, provide any required information, and meet the provider's requirements before an advance can be approved. The first thing to check is the app's eligibility rules. Some apps may require income verification, a connected bank account, or a specific account activity. Others may use different methods to determine whether you qualify. The second thing to check is delivery speed. Some apps may offer faster transfers through an optional paid feature, while standard delivery may take longer. Review the transfer options before requesting money so you understand the timing and cost. The third thing to check is repayment. Cash advance apps usually expect repayment from your linked account on a scheduled date. Before accepting an advance, confirm the repayment amount and make sure the timing works with your budget. A fast approval process is useful when you need money quickly, but the cheapest option may not always be the fastest one. Compare the total cost, repayment terms, and available transfer methods before choosing. You should also review the app's security practices. Only use the official app, understand what financial information you are sharing, and check the permissions you approve during setup. When comparing same-day cash advance apps, focus on three things: how easy it is to qualify, how quickly you can receive funds, and how much the service costs. The best option depends on your financial situation and what the provider requires. An app that approves you quickly, but has higher costs, may not be the best choice compared with a slower, lower-cost option. The key points are simple. Approval speed depends on eligibility. Same-day access still requires verification. And the total repayment cost matters more than just how fast you receive money. Before applying, check the app's requirements and fees first. If you want more comparisons of financial apps and borrowing options, like and subscribe.